Here's the news of the day for May 16th of 2025.
Teledyne FLIR and AerialOGI launched the AerialOGI N, the first OGI camera with dual drone and handheld use to detect over 25 gases in real time.
Bell signed MOUs with V2X, DigiFlight, DRG, and True Simulation to develop a cutting-edge aviator training solution for the US Army's Flight School Next, centered around the advanced Bell 505 platform.
The Vertical Flight Society's 81st Annual Forum in Virginia Beach will showcase over 260 technical papers and top industry leaders, highlighting breakthroughs in helicopters, eVTOL, AAM, and military rotorcraft.
ANRA Technologies became the first company certified by EASA as a use-based service provider under the new framework, completing a 2-year rigorous evaluation that enables scalable, secure drone services across Europe.
NATS Services released a white paper after Project AMEC, showing how drones and eVTOLs can safely integrate into UK airspace using digital systems and real-world simulations.
Horizon Aircraft has successfully completed full wing transition of its large-scale Cavorite X7 prototype, marking a key milestone in its development of hybrid electric eVTOL technology.
Archer will provide its midnight air taxis for the LA 2028 Olympic and Paralympic Games, offering transport for VIPs and fans, while showcasing eVTOL technology on a global stage.
ACAS has added 4 jets, including a Praetor 500, Citation X, G700, and Global XRS, to its managed fleet, all acquired through client referrals.
JetOut has opened a new base at Scottsdale Airport with 2 CJ4 Gen 2 jets, expanding its co-ownership programs and tech-driven services to the Arizona market.
CAL FIRE is shifting to a year-round fire response with expanded staffing and AI-powered detection, as Nevada County prepares for a 12-month fire season amid growing wildfire risks.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.